Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change video quality on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your video quality on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app and you land on this interface. Now open or play any video. Let's pause this, and on this interface you can see at the top right corner of the screen there's a settings or a gear button on this interface over here. When you tap on the settings icon, you can see there is the quality option available for us. Tap on the quality option like this and you'll be able to find the video qualities over here. Either you can do the auto recommended or higher picture quality, which uses more data, or you can go to the data saver or tap on the advanced, and you can see you can choose through these pixel rates or the video qualities. Now you can see. And that being said guys, this is how to change video quality of a video on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.